This is a Z83 Max in always on analog display mode. Twist your wrist, you can bring up a watch face. This particular one has an integrated compass with it as well. Beautiful AMOLED screen on this one. You've got all kinds of different controls, and not only the ones that are shown here, you have the ability to add all these other ones and customize it any way you like. Many different things. It's a Bluetooth calling watch that you can put in SOS if you want to on this one. Many different watch faces. We have lots of different places you can go and check these things out through the app. You've got downloadable faces. We have your workout activities, running, walking, and so forth. You've got heart rate capability on this one. When you go to this card, here you've got blood pressure, and you also have the ability to do blood oxygen on it as well, and it's using green diode and red diode, if you can see it back there, technology. You have last night's sleep time information, and then you're back to your watch face. Come this way and you've got it all. You got your power level information, messages sent to your phone, an overall calendar, and then your basic biometrics, your step count, your last night's sleep time, heart rate, and so forth. You've got weather. You can add alarm clocks, a music player, and it streams music from your phone to the watch, of course, and your most recently used apps as well. So we looked at all of that stuff. Press the button. You can change these around by double tapping, by the way, and getting into any kind of display that you'd like. We're doing the linear, makes it a little easier to see. Exercise, activities, heart rate, and so forth. It's supporting Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp, Siri or Google, breathing calculators, stopwatch, which actually runs in the background. We've been running it ever since I started this overall review process. Motion track, if you're tied to your phone, you can see the motion on your watch. Your altitude, pressure, and coordinates are listed there too. Female tracking is on this one for your cycle information and so forth. Really nice overall design on this watch. You've got definitely a well-built body, and 3 different bands come in the box for it too. It's called the Z83 Max. Check it out.